Hello, I'm Martin Moratillo, art teacher here in the elementary school at Daniel American International School. As part of the celebration of Mother's Day, I would like to show you how to make some flowers, something very easy that you can share with your kids as part of the celebration. We will be using these materials. It's a fiber with a wire, very soft to model, and the idea is to model and to be bending the wire to make our flower. Now, first we will be using also some tape, green tape, for keeping the fiber connected. Now, the first part is when we need to bend carefully, this way. This side is longer, bend again, bend, 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 like this. After doing that, fix this, twist, twist, you can twist one here, twist once here, twist here, like this, or one more. This is already connected. Now, we need to make two, like this, and the idea is to connect this into the stick, one stick like this. Now, first, I want also to make something like this. What I did is the following. I will be using a different color for this. Maybe something longer, two, and then you can bend three. Let's do it again. One here, two, three, and then you can twist in this way. And you have these kind of shapes, but with different color. So we'll be using this. We will be using two of this, and for the middle, maybe we can change a color. For the middle, I want to make something like this, something rounded. Then you need a long tail first, because you want to trap in the wire, and then after doing this, round, 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 go here and trap. Let's see. Now, we want to trap this here first with the wire, trap with the wire, both first. If you want to use first the tape, you can use the tape, just to trap this here, in this way. The tape will keep the fiber and the material trapped in the stick. Next step, you can connect these two. One here, and two here, like this. First, put the wire around, trap first with the wire. One, trap here again with the wire, once again, and then we want to keep this connected. Use the tape. Put the tape here and press, squish and press, squish and press. Go down. I have one, but we need one more. I want to try to add one more here. I'm gonna put like this, and we will put this like this, in this way. It means that we will be using three colors for our imaginary flower. So we can trap with the wire also, but also we can use the tape. Put the tape around, much easier for us. Have this, squish. We need leaves like this. Take the greens here, then bend one, bend two, like this, squish, squish together, like this, bend here, squish like this, and then trap here. around. You can use the tape. Let's do it once again. Open here, put together, then fix this here, strap again here in the wire. The idea is to have fun with the kids and of course with the mom. This is it. We are Dalian American International School, the creative school in China. Enjoy the day.